In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find synthetic indices like VIX 75 in Tradingview. If you've tried searching for VIX 75 or Volatility 75 directly on the standard Tradingview platform and nothing comes up, don't worry, that's expected. These are synthetic indices from a specific provider. And while they use the familiar Tradingview charting experience, you'll access them through the provider's Tradingview powered portal instead. Start by opening your web browser and going to charts.derive.com. This site runs the same charting engine you know from Tradingview, so the interface will feel instantly familiar. Once the page loads, look to the top left corner for the search field. That's where you'll enter the instrument name, just like you would on Tradingview. Type Volatility 75 into the search box. If you've been typing VIX 75 and not getting results, using Volatility 75 is the more reliable way to find it. After you type the name, apply the derived filter to narrow down the results. This filter shows you instruments from the derived provider, which includes synthetic indices like the one we're looking for. Under that provider, you should see entries labeled Volatility 75 Index, and in some cases it may display as VIX 75, depending on the listing. Click the instrument you need Volatility 75. In this case, to load the chart as soon as it opens. You'll have the full Tradingview style experience. You can change timeframes, switch between candlesticks and other chart types, and use the same drawing tools you are used to, such as trendlines and Fibonacci retracements. The indicators you rely on, moving averages, RSI, MACD, and many others are available here as well, so your technical analysis workflow remains consistent. A quick tip while you are here: double-check the symbol label at the top of the chart to confirm you are on the derived provider's Volatility 75 index. That helps ensure your analysis aligns with the correct synthetic instrument. If your first search doesn't show it, try typing the full phrase Volatility 75 and make sure the derived filter is active. That usually resolves any search hiccups. From here, you can proceed with your analysis exactly as you would on Tradingview's main site, benefiting from the same layout and toolset. The key difference is simply where you access the symbol. By using charts.derive.com, you are tapping into a Tradingview-powered environment that lists these synthetic indices directly. That's it. Thanks for watching.